Hello guys, so today it's another vlog, and today's vlog guys, we have the Sony FX3 uh, and with the lens. So again, a lot of cinematographers, videographers make a rig on this Sony FX3. It's very nice if you need a rig, if you want an extra microphone, monitor, or LED lights, or whatever you want to put on the camera. You must have a cage. So we have also from small rig, and also we have here the new Tilta. Yeah, it's a Tilta FX3 cage, camera cage for FX3, FX30, yeah, with a kit. So this is already a kit. You have already your handle and the rods and base plate. So yeah, let's try to put the Tilta FX3 cage kit to our Sony FX3 camera. So we have the FX3 camera, guys. Again, we have still offer on the FX3 camera. I think it's 1,099, but we don't have stock. So again, guys, let's start. Check what's inside the box of this Tilta FX3 cage kit. And guys, so this is the box of the Tilta cage kit for FX3. Huh? Let's open the box. You have already here the rods. Okay. The main cage, you have the base plate, another plate, and the top handle, the Xeno top handle. Yeah, this is the top handle. And of course, you have some, I don't know what's this, but andyan na yan. So, okay, this is what's inside the box of the Tilta base plate cage kit. Sorry. Yan. So, let's try to put in our FX3 camera. And that's it for today, guys. So we have already here the Sony FX3 with the Tilta cage. Again, you have already a holder, that separate box. This is the holder box. You have, of course, the main cage. This is the main cage from the box. This is the main cage. You have your base plate, which is this part here. The universal 15mm base plate, which is this part. And yeah, this is what inside the Tilta cage. So, ayan. Ito siya. So, okay, if you are searching or looking for a complete setup cage for your FX3 camera, check Tilta. The Tilta, may code to eh. The Tilta camera cage for Sony V2 basic kit. Again, if you want to check the price and availability of this Tilta cage, you can visit our website www.abworld.com. So all Tilta product is already in our website. And check this one, the Tilta for your Sony camera FX3 and FX30. So yeah, FX3 and FX30 are similar, guys. We have also from small rig, but again, if you want a Tilta brand, we have also. So this is the Tilta. So yan, di ba? So I think that's it for today's vlog, guys. So ayan, flex time. I want to flex Harvey dito sa katabi ko na makulit. Yon, tawan-tawa, and yan, Tilta again. AB World Tilta.